Hi. You're friendly. Nope, nope, we're not going in the car. Nope. Oh, I don't know you. No, you're not going in my car.
Baby, he wants to come home with us.
What the fuck am I gonna...
Oh, I'm gonna cry. He loves you.
I don't know what the fuck you talking about, but I don't know how the fuck you... Oh, shit. Who the fuck cat is this? He's on the side of the road. Yeah, get killed for sure. Someone just... Oh, no. It's a whole... Oh, my gosh. I can't take you off.
Where did you guys find 6 black cats? Is it finally my turn? The cat distribution system? Come here, baby.